Codesignal, Arcade, Alphabetic, Shift. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua. I'll be solving the Codesignal question, Alphabetic Shift. Let's get to it. Given a string, your task is to replace each of its characters by the next one in the English alphabet. So for example, if it's A, you replace with B, B with C, C with D, Z. If you reach the last letter, it should be A. So this is an example. I don't want to go over it because you can pause the video and understand. For example, C turns to D, R to S. I think you get the point, guys. Let's get to it. So first, what I would do, I would say I would turn the string into a car array. And why would I do that? For each character, increment. And once you increment it, and if it's a Z, go to A. There you go. Easy as that. Let's do it. Oh yeah, by the way, this could take about O(n) space, O(n) time, and also by the way, we return string after converting it from car array. All right, there you go. Anyways, this will take O(n) time and space complexity. I think so. Let's do it. All right, car. Now we call it shift, shifty shift, and new car array. It's going to be, oh no, we don't create a new car array. It's going to be the input string, to car array. There you go. Now for each letter, and we return the new string. That's going to be the shift. All right. Now let's convert each letter. Now, here's how we do it, guys. If the letter in the input string is equal to Z, then we turn it to a letter. All right. Else, we just increment that letter by 1, and we should be good. So now we return it. Okay, so basically we go through each letter of the string, and if it's a Z, we go back to A. That's basically it. I think it's that simple, guys. Hooray! Submit. And I'm going to go over it one more time because I already went over it again and again. But sometimes you have to chisel that in your mind so you can understand what's going on. So one thing beautiful about in Java, when you increment these characters, it goes to the next character. That's why I said that, you know, if it's not going to be a Z, if it's not a Z right now, then you could just turn that A to B or B to a C or C to a D. And that's why I made it as a car array, because it's easier to have that sort of behavior implemented right here. Although it has an O(n) space, I think it's going to take another O(n) space when we return a new string like this. But I think it works still. So I hope you guys like this answer. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed my content. And if you don't enjoy my content, please watch the whole video again and again and again until you enjoy it. I'm just kidding. If you don't like it, then tell me how I can get better. Or just fricking like it. Have a good day, guys.